Solve the system of equations using substitution or elimination. Note that some systems may be inconsistent or consistent with dependent equations. We're given the system 3x minus 2y equals negative 8 and 2x plus 3y equals negative 14. We will use the elimination method with this system. Notice that if we were to add these equations together right now, none of the terms will eliminate one another. We don't have opposites terms in terms of the x's or y's. So we're going to multiply both equations by some value so that we can create our y terms, cause them to be opposites of one another. So let's go ahead and multiply the top equation by a positive 3. And when we multiply each term by positive 3, 3x times 3 is 9x, negative 2y times 3 is a negative 6y, and the negative 8 times 3, negative 24. We will now multiply the bottom equation by a positive 2. Multiplying each term by a positive 2 will give us positive 4x, 2x times 2, 4x. Positive 3y times 2 is a positive 6y, and negative 14 times positive 2 is a negative 28. And as you can see, by choosing the two values that we've chosen, multiplying these equations by those values, we created the effect here of the y terms being opposites of one another. So when we add these equations together, the y terms will now eliminate one another. 9x plus 4x is 13x, negative 6y and positive 6y make 0, and negative 24 and negative 28 make a negative 52. So now we have 13x is equal to negative 52. We will solve that equation for x, divide both sides by a positive 13, and x is equal to negative 4. So we found the x-coordinate of our point of intersection, or our solution. We'll now find the corresponding y value. And we're going to take the x value of negative 4 and substitute it in for x in one of the two equations. It does not matter which one you choose. Choose the top equation. So recopying the top equation, we have 3x minus 2y equals negative 8. And we're going to go ahead and substitute negative 4 into the x in this equation, giving us 3 times negative 4 minus 2y equals negative 8. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Then we have negative 2y equals negative 8. Let's go ahead and add 12 to both sides, giving us negative 2y is equal to negative 8 plus 12 would be a positive 4. And now we'll divide both sides by negative 2. 4 divided by negative 2 is a negative 2. So our x-coordinate is negative 4. Our y-coordinate is negative 2. So our final answer would be negative 4, comma, negative 2.